Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel Decoration Master. Welcome to our YouTube channel where we explore creative ways to bring the beauty of nature into your home. In today's video we will be sharing ideas on how to decorate your home with plants, creating a refreshing, vibrant atmospheres. Let's get started. Indoor jungle create a lush and tropical oasis by incorporating a variety of indoor plants. Choose plants with different shapes, sizes, and textures to add visual interest. Place them on shelves, side tables, and countertop to bring life to every corner of your home. Consider plants like monster snakes plants and peace lily for their airy fortifying properties. Hanging beauty. Utilize the vertical space in your home by hanging plants from the ceiling. Transform your window sills into a botanical display by creating a mini garden. Select plants that thrive in bright light such as clements, aloe vera, or herbals. Arrange them in decorative pots or hanging plants. To maximize the sunlight and bring natural lights in the kitchens or living room. Statement planters. Make a bold statement with eye-catching planters. Opt for unique designs such as geometric shapes, woven basket, or colorful ceramics to add a touch of personality to your plants collections. Mix and match different planter styles and style to create an eclectic and visually appealing arrangement.